Hi there, my name is Carrie Ibbetson. I'm a registered dental hygienist and oral health coach and founder and owner of oralhealthcoaching.com. Chances are, if you're coming here, you have a family member who has cavities. Perhaps you're looking for a home remedy or a DIY solution. Maybe your toddler is night nursing and you're really not sure if it's a problem or not. Perhaps despite all of your efforts of a good, healthy diet, the appearance of your child's mouth is causing you concern and you don't know what to do. Or maybe your amazing little ball of goodness just won't let you in their mouth long enough for you to actually get a good brushing in. Perhaps you have a really picky eater and you've tried some dietary changes that your family just won't tolerate, and you're spending a ton of money on supplements and you're really not sure what's working. But chances are, if you're here, I'm guessing you're looking for a solution to your family's problems and to start healing those mouths as quickly as possible.